Eureka Escalator Cleaner EC51. On-site escalator and travelator deep cleaner. Does the appearance of your escalators add value to your business? Yes. A dirty escalator or travelator will detract from the overall appearance of your facility. On the contrary, keeping escalators and travelators looking good by regular cleaning helps not only to improve the overall appearance of your business, but can also dramatically reduce maintenance costs. Manufactured in Italy, the Eureka EC51 uses both a dry and wet cycle to thoroughly clean escalator steps and people movers in less than an hour. EC51 is the best value for money. It thoroughly scrubs and dries on site all types of escalators and travelators in just minutes, with very little human labor involved. It's safe and easy to use, and the ideal machine for regular step maintenance or for deep cleaning of horizontal people movers. EC51, in fact, effectively removes grease, spillages, stones, foreign objects, hardened sand and grinding, which could damage the escalator combs and steps, improving the overall appearance of your facility and prolonging your escalator durability. EC51 boasts a revolutionary double roller brush cleaning system, which aggressively lifts and removes all debris from the steps. The EC51 dry cleaning cycle loosens the dirt on the steps and quickly removes and collects all the loose dirt, lint and dust by an integral vacuum system. Our specially designed brushes efficiently clean the grooved surfaces of the tread without chipping paint, removing the powder coating, scratching the surface, or damaging the metal steps. The wet cleaning cycle then sprays a specially formulated cleaner to continue the cleaning cycle and to wash off and remove all the grease, oil, soda and other dried stains and dirt that are never addressed during the dry cycle. The exclusive brush head rotates 180 degrees to clean both sides of the escalator independently from the width of the steps. EC51 can work automatically, thus guaranteeing a perfect result even if the operator is busy with other applications. EC51 is supplied as standard with a great array of cleaning accessories, which make the machine the most complete, versatile and cost-effective on the market. One machine does it all. EC51 is amazingly versatile and value efficient, as it can also be used as a traditional scrubber-dryer for the cleaning of large, hard floor areas. The end result is perfectly cleaned escalator steps in under an hour. Eureka Escalator Cleaner EC51, the fastest, simplest, most versatile and reliable on-site escalator and travelator deep cleaner.